So today I am here with Amy.
Hey!
And we're going to be cooking or baking. Do you cook or do you bake a pancake?
Cook.
We're cooking.
Frying
pancakes. We're going to make chocolate, coconut and banana pancakes. They're dairy free, which is fun because Amy can't have milk. So yeah,
they're high protein.
They're high protein and they're healthy. I think they are healthy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're healthy pancakes. So we're going to try and do this every month. Obviously not just pancakes. We're going to do loads of different things. We're going to do cheesecake. So, but yeah, let's just get started cooking.
It just said about doing. This is milk free because you can't have milk. Yeah. So I can't have milk. And then we're going to do a cheesecake, and I'm like, that is so dairy.
So the first thing we're going to do is put eggs. Large. Oh, Amy, it's cracked.
Ew, what is inside that?
That's the yolk.
Ew. Yeah, I swear that's the only one you actually checked, and it's broken.
I'm so rubbish at cracking eggs. One. Oh, that one was pretty good. Two.
On that one.
Oh, that's probably the yolk from the cracked one.
No, it's not wet.
Oh, how strange. Three.
You need some tea.
I know. Oh no, that one's got loads of shell. Oh no. Look at all the shell that just opened on that. That's the most whisking I've ever seen in my
How do you...
it sounds so strange.
That whisk's enough.
Yeah.
If I put this in with it now.
Oh, what is it?
Cacao.
Yeah.
Cacao.
How much does it say to put in?
2 teaspoons. How do I open this, Beth?
Should
I just put it in here?
Yeah.
That banana smells rank.
No. It's being mashed.
It's like baby food. Should I put the flour in?
Yeah.
What are we doing with the chips?
Shall we put them in the pancake when we put the pancake in there?
What, nibs?
Yeah. Not mix them in.
Yeah. Because then we can spread them.
Yeah.
Instead of just in one place.
Oh, that chocolate smells so good.
It does. It smells nice, doesn't it? 3 tablespoons.
Amy, how do I...
Oh! Ew. Right. One.
We're just putting all the ingredients in together, by the way.
No, this.
Oh yeah, right. What do I do with this?
A teaspoon.
Okay, where's the teaspoon? We've got vanilla paste. That needs to be opened.
You've got banana on your shorts. On your shorts. I can't see. How did it get up there? Not clear.
That looks like frog spawn.
Smells like
We could have just used vanilla extract. It said paste.
It's like alcohol.
By paste, I thought it was going to be like a paste. Like, you know.
More like syrup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh look, why has it got dots in it?
That's probably the beans.
Oh, There we go.
I can't get that out.
Hey, do you want to melt that in there while I do this?
Yep.
I feel like we need to make more.
It smells nice.
Mm. Oh, this does not look appetizing.
That literally does not look nice.
We're going to be making like 2 pancakes out of this.
Oh my god. 1 teaspoon. Oh no.
Wait, yeah, let me actually mix it
2
first because it's really
tablespoons.
lumpy at the moment.
2 tablespoons of this.
What's wrong?
Pinch of salt. Need salt. Oh. But I'm making that right. Yeah.
Yeah. Gosh.
Why is it so hard?
I don't know.
Why is it so hard?
Smells nice. Smells like the smoothie I get at Fuel.
That's nice.
I just need to mix it and watch the lumps go. Well, I'm pretty sure that is literally just to replace butter. Like, so the pancakes don't stick to the pan. So you shouldn't really even matter that much.
Okay, that'll do. What's it
This is what the mixture looks like so far. Just trying to get the lumps out. Oh, why did I do that?
Do we have to flip these like proper pancakes, or are they thick?
Does it say? They are quite thick. What does it say? Still.
Pour into a pan, cook until golden brown on each side.
On each side, yes.
Beth, you're not meant to put the bananas in it.
Mix all the ingredients except the coconut oil. 1 large banana mashed. I'm not putting a mashed banana on top, am I?
That's shit. Is it nice? Or is it gross?
Not on its own. You can try it, but I wouldn't eat them on their own. It's just like dark chocolate. Should we make that?
I don't like them. I thought they were nice, but they're not.
It's just dark chocolate.
Why are they like crunchy? I don't know.
Is it 2 tablespoons for the whole lot of pancakes though?
This is the whole lot.
Yeah, but you're not putting them all in one pan, are you? So if you melt the coconut oil, put it in a little cup,
take a little bit out.
and you dribble a little bit in at each, else you're going to have 1 pancake
It
full of
says, it
coconut
literally
oil.
says put.
Do you see what I'm saying though?
Oh, a small knob of coconut oil. So just a small
Yeah,
knob.
only because you'll have really oily, the first pancake will be super oily.
All of that.
That?
I think that is a small knob.
No, that won't be enough, Bethany. I would say, I would
Just
just
that?
put in a little droplet each pancake you do. Take more of that out if I was you.
Should I flip it?
What does that mean?
I don't know. See if you can get the spatula underneath. Oh no, we need to. No.
Stop it.
No. Just leave it.
I feel like it's like oil has reduced.
Okay, that's good, isn't it?
Oh, actually no, I just didn't see it. Oh my god, I'm scared, Beth.
Wait.
Ready? Tell me when it's go.
Okay. Go. Looks good.
Done.
I think so. I would say that's done.
Should we do this as a tester pancake? As in, we should just both try this one. Because it's...
Okay, right, let's put it on the plate. I'm gonna try. Wait, let's... I know! Oh, we did quite well, I think.
Imagine if they taste absolutely rank.
They don't really taste like anything. Like, they have no taste. And they like definitely need a topping. I think sugar would just make it a bit sweeter. Should we just put a little bit in? If they're meant to taste like this though, because what we just... Because we've used the right stuff.
Who would eat that?
I don't know. It's not bad, it just doesn't taste like anything.
I think it's bad.
Like, I literally cannot taste anything.
It just, I feel like it needs more chocolate. Bethany was coming outside.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why.
I feel like it needs more chocolate, like actual chocolate.
We've got Cadbury's. Should we just put it in there? Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate tastes nice. Should we just put a little bit in? We're going to put a bit of Cadbury's hot chocolate in because they taste disgusting. I think it's just all of those ingredients are bland, aren't they? They're all 100% raw.
I think if it had normal flour, it'd be better.
Yeah, but I can't taste the coconut.
Yeah, but the flour texture is different for coconut. It's more like bits.
It's not the texture that bothers me. It's just the taste is not. It doesn't taste like anything.
It's the texture for me.
And because cacao powder is 100% raw cocoa, which isn't nice. So basically, if we use milk, normal chocolate, normal flour, and basically made it like really unhealthy, unhealthy normal pancakes, and they would be nice. Should we try and actually flip the metal?
You can.
Okay. When do you think I should do it?
Maybe see if it's actually loose.
Oh yeah.
Flip it. That was just a disaster.
No.
I don't, Beth, I'm not gonna lie, you can't save that. It's right.
Ew. Get this one out of the pan. See ya. Yeah. So we're done.
We had fun.
Thanks for joining us.
Oh no. I wish they were better, you know, like tasted nicer. And they just look.
Right, anyway.
Do you know what? It would have been so much nicer if we just did chocolate pancakes with chocolate chips in.
We just did non-healthy pancakes. That's what happens when we try to eat healthy.
I should have just got soy milk.
Mm-hmm.
Did we even put any milk in it?
them. That's probably why. That's probably why they're like dry, because there's no liquid in them. No, there's not 1 ounce of liquid in there.
Well, there's vanilla bean paste.
Yeah, paste. Frog spawn paste.
I was like, pasty.
We need to cook stuff now. Thank you for watching our failed pancake attempt. And we'll see you next time with another cooking video.